Do you have an error with the Presentation Core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Microsoft.NET Framework working again. To kick off the manual repair for Presentation Core, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Presentation Core, a foundational Windows Presentation Foundation WPF component. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the WPF visual tree and rendering, facilitating the UI manifest for .NET application data links. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error usually occurs when Microsoft.NET Framework is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft.NET Framework to replace required files such as Presentationcore.dll. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Presentation Core. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Presentation Core DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Presentation Core. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Presentation Core error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.